Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our Bring a Trailer auction for this 1976 Jaguar XJ6. Now, this is a really cool example. The car has received a lot of love in its life. It's featured here in dark blue metallic over tan. We're going to go for a drive, and I'll tell you all about it. Let's go. So here we are on this beautiful summer afternoon. We're in the XJ6. Going to do a little bit of a cold start. Just brought it up earlier today. It's as cold as can be. So we're going to get it on the road. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. This car was upgraded to an AJ6 and a 4-speed transmission. The interior is really well done. It's a very nice place to be. This is a lovely Jaguar and really a pretty cool one too. Here we are cruising along. We're just about up to temperature on this summer day. Gonna put the air conditioning on. Works great. And what goes better with air conditioning than some great music? So in addition to the great AC, which works really well and is a much welcome comfort on a day like this, it's got great cruise control. It drives very well. It runs great. It has great braking. It has great power, which we're going to show you on the farm road and the flybys. A little bit of history with this car. It started as an unmolested 1976 Jaguar XJ6 with 30,000 miles. The car was in really nice shape to begin with, but the previous owner, who's a friend and client of Autosport Designs, who owned the car for quite a number of years, decided that he wanted to take it to the next level, upgrade the engine and transmission, as well as a complete refurbishment. The owner car was a 1990 Jaguar XJ40. As you can see from the video that we posted from the builder, the Jolly Wrencher, this car was completely gone through both mechanically and cosmetic. Aluminum radiator was installed with electric fan. All the wiring for it was updated at that time. Fuel system was gone through and sorted. This restored biscuit interior presents really wonderfully. I can tell you that these seats are very comfortable and are a really wonderful complement to this Jaguar. When the interior was redone, all of the wood was removed. The entire dash was taken apart. The gauges were replaced. These are Dakota gauges, and it was really a labor of love. It took just about 2 years after the project was done. The owner drove it for another 2 years or so after that, for a total of 35,000 miles. All of the gauges work. We have oil pressure, voltage, we have obviously a tachometer, we have a working compass, a digital odometer, which shows just over 60,000 miles. Of course, all of these things were replaced when the refurbishment was undertaken. E500, that was pretty cool. So everything's working, coolant temperature. We don't have any error lights on, any dummy lights. Come back to you with the flybys. As you take a look at the photos and our videos, you'll see that this car just presents as a really honest 76 Jaguar XJ6. A lot of love was put into it by a close friend of Autosport and a true English car enthusiast. So here we are on the farm road. We're going to let this cat run a little bit. It cruises with the best of them. It's comfortable. It's quiet. You could easily transverse the continent or Main Street to get some ice cream or a spot of tea, perhaps. I think that this is just a great Jaguar for somebody that wants to enjoy the pleasures of this era of Jaguar motoring. The wood was beautifully redone. The gauges, the seats, as you could see from the photos, everything works. Is Harry Styles back on? Nope, not anymore. It's even got a quartz clock. Thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate it. And we encourage everybody to bring their strongest and best bids on this 1976 Jaguar XJ6.